Hi, I am Sambaraj, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College, Assistant Professor, Hyderabad. Today, we are going to start Virtusa Aptitude Mock Test 1, which is based on metal test pattern. Virtusa test pattern, total we have 5 sections. Section A, coding part. Section B, aptitude or mathematical ability test. Section C, computer fundamentals. Section 4, verbal ability, general English. Section 5, technical, again technical test. Our part in Virtusa test pattern, section B, named aptitude ability test or mathematical ability test. Here, total number of questions in aptitude 10 questions, 10 marks, 10 minutes, target 60 percentage. Means cutoff marks only 60 percentage means 6 marks to qualify. No negative marks. In next topics in aptitude test in Virtusa test pattern, a total we have 10 topics in aptitude. Number 1, profit and loss. Number 2, time and work. Number 3, time, distance and speed. Number 4, ages. Number 5, blood relations or puzzle test. Number 6, ranking test. Number 7, coding and decoding. Next, ranking test, data interpretation and direction test. A total 10 topics, very important topics in aptitude in Virtusa test pattern. A profit and loss, that this concept is very important. Second, time, distance and speed. Third one, puzzle test. And fourth one, coding and decoding. These are very important topics in Virtusa test pattern or metal based exam. Out of 10 questions, 5 to 6 questions are belongs to only these topics in aptitude. First one, profit and loss, minimum 2 marks, maximum 4 marks in Virtusa test pattern. Profit and loss concept, we have two methods in profit and loss. Number 1, the topic depending only basic applications means find the selling price, cost price, profit and loss. This type of questions are belongs to type number 1. Second model, marked price means discount concepts are belongs to type number 2. Type number 2 methods, find the discount or discount percentage. Discount is always applicable only marked price, that means MRP. MRP indicate maximum retail price or market price or label price. Next, second, time and work topic is in Virtusa test pattern. Just you concentrate only concept of the topic. Suppose A work 10 days, B work 20 days, calculate A plus B. Otherwise, M1 D1 T1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 T2 by W2. The relation very important to time and work. The relation is called a chain rule property. In next third method, pipes concept in time and work. Suppose pipe A can fill the tank in 10 minutes and pipe B empty the tank in 20 minutes. Then how much time the tank will be filled? Just you concentrate only three subtopics in time and work, definitely one question is belongs to only three methods in time and work. Second, time, distance and speed. One of the lengthy topic in quantitative ability and also important topic in quantitative ability. The topic name time, distance and speed. We have five subtopics in time, distance and speed. Number one, basics. Number two, relative speed. Number three, average speed. Number four, boat and stream. Number five, races and games. But important topics in time, distance and speed were Virtusa test pattern or medal based exam test pattern. Your basics important, relative speed important, average speed important. Just you concentrate only first three subtopics in time, distance and speed. Here basics means general application, the relation between time, distance and speed. Time is equal to distance by speed and their applications when distance is constant, when time is constant, when speed is constant. By using these applications, 1 mark in Virtusa test pattern. Suppose S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2 when speed is, when sorry S1 into T1, not S1 by T1. This is called inverse application. S1 into T1 is equal to S2 into T2 when distance is constant. When time is constant, d1 by s1 is equal to d2 by s2. Similarly, d1 by t1 is equal to d2 by t2 when speed is constant. Next, conversions also important. Either convert into a kilometer per hour or convert into a meter per second. This type of questions are belongs to basics in time, distance and speed. A next, relative speed concept. Calculate only one principle, that is meeting time is equal to distance by relative speed. That one enough. A next important, average speed concept. Average speed is equal to total distance by total time. In time, distance and speed, only three topics important to Virtusa test pattern. 1 mark belongs to only general application. In next, ages topic. One condition only important to ages topic. That condition, ego present to after. This topic depending only operator, either apply minus symbol or addition operator. That concept is called ages. Next, blood relations or puzzle test. A family related examples or seating arrangement concept. That models or belongs to puzzle test. Next, ranking test, left and right directions only important. Next, coding and decoding using alphabetical letters in English. Next, number series, find the next number, find the classification or find the similarity or analogy. Next, data interpretation, line chart, pie chart, bar chart and table chart. Applications in data interpretation. First application, some data is given. Using the data, calculate, find the average, find the minimum percentage, find the maximum percentage or ratio. That applications are very important data interpretation. Finally, direction test. Direction test topic easy. There is no formulas in direction test. Using information, draw diagram. Using the diagram, calculate either distance or direction or angle direction. This is about section B in Virtusa test pattern or medal based exam. Target a total number of questions 10, time duration 10 minutes, target 6 marks to qualify. This is about test pattern. Next, sample examples in aptitude. Number 1, first example. A cellular when sold for rupees 4600, a profit of 15%. Find the cost price of the phone, cellular phone. A first example, application, profit and loss. A first statement, sold indicate selling price 4600, profit 15%, find the cost price. We have two methods applicable in profit and loss. First method using general application. Second method without using formula, consider only percentage. General method. If suppose base is 100, percentage is always depending only 100. Suppose 100% consider is called cost price. Above indicate profit, below indicate loss. Your method, 15% profit, that value is called 115. Your 115 amount is equal to 4600. Then 100 is dash, 100 is called cost price. This is called shortcut method without using any formula. Method very simple. Profit and loss or percentage topic. Percentage always consider 100. Here 100 is equal to cost price. Above and below that indicate selling price. Above means profit selling price. Below means loss selling price. Using that information, either calculate cost price or calculate selling price. This is about shortcut method. Second method, using formula method. The relation between selling price and cost price when profit is given. We know that selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus G by 100. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus G by 100, where G indicate gain percentage or profit percentage, that is 15% given. Now substitute selling price is equal to 4600, calculate cost price G15, that is 115 by 100. Then cost price is equal to 4600 into 100 divisible by 115. A remaining part only simplification. A general method, 5 into 23, 5 into 20, 23 into 1, 23 into 20. Therefore, cost price is equal to 4000. Option C only correct. This is the method. A general method, shortcut method again same. Here 115 is equal to 4600. 100 is dash. Method 100 into 4600 by 115 is equal to 4000. This is about profit and loss general application. First application, calculate only selling price, cost price, profit and loss. Here questions in first application, find the selling price, find the cost price. Otherwise, the relation between selling price and cost price when profit is given or when loss is given. This type of questions are belongs to first model in profit and loss. Next, second example number 2. Working together, Tom and Ricky can complete a piece of work in 6 days. First statement, A plus B together is nothing but A plus B, that is T plus R is equal to 6 days. Working alone, Tom can complete the same piece of work in 10 days. How much time does Ricky require to complete the same task done? Option A 15, 16, B 15, C 25, D 4. Here apply time and work topic application. A time and work method. Work is always inversely proportional to the time. This is called application of the topic. First statement, Tom and Ricky can complete a work in 6 days. This information convert into a 1 day work. A total work is equal to 6 days. 1 day work is equal to 1 by 6 days. Second statement, Tom 1 day work is equal to 1 by 10. This is called second equation. We want to R equation 1 minus 2. Then T get cancelled. Remaining Ricky work is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 6. Next LCM 30. Numerator 3. 1 by 6 minus 1 by 10. Result always positive here. Here 1 by 6 minus 1 by 10, LCM 30, numerator 5 minus 3, that is 2 by 30, 1 by 15, option B only correct. This is the method, basic level example in time and work, metal based test pattern, level of difficulty, basic to average level. At least you concentrate basic to average level or application of the topic, then enough to prepare metal exam. Okay, very simple pattern. A profit and loss, first one basic level example, just application of the topic, important only substitution. Total we have 10 example, 5 to 6 questions are belongs to only direct to application of the topic. Remaining 4 questions are belongs to only average standard examples. That examples are belongs to, one is a puzzle test topic, second one time distance and speed topic. Remaining topics are very simple, just we know the concept of the topic, that's enough. A second example, option B only correct. Okay, right. In next third example, an aeroplane covers a certain distance at a speed of 240 km per hour in 5 hours. To cover the same distance 5 by 3 hours, it must travel at a speed of. To calculate speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. Speed application, distance by time. A first statement is a speed S1 is equal to 240 km per hour. First case speed is equal to S1 and T1 is equal to 5 hours. To cover the same distance, underline same distance. Same distance is nothing but distance is always constant. We know that when distance is always constant, the relation between speed and time S1 into T1 is equal to S2 into T2. This is called the relation between speed and time when distance is constant. Next, S1 is equal to 240. T1 is equal to 5. Calculate S2 and T2 5 by 3 hours. Calculate S2. S2 is equal to 240 into 5 into 3 by 5 is equal to 720 km per hour. Option D only correct. Simple method using application of the topic. Application time, distance and speed. When time is constant, when distance is constant, when speed is constant, and also verify conversions. A distance meter is given, speed convert into a meter per second. Distance kilometer is given, speed convert into a kilometer per hour. This is also important. Time, distance and speed, first application. Next, fourth example, number 4. Again, profit and loss. Minimum 2 marks only, profit and loss concept. Here calculate. Here bought indicate cost price. A number of trophies is equal to 6 a rupee, 1 rupee 6. How many for a rupee must he sell to gain 20 percentage? Here calculate number of articles or number of toffees to sell uh, to gain 20 percentage profit. Okay, right. Here method, simple topic. Method, selling price or cost price are always convert into a one article price. First statement, number of articles is equal to 6, amount is equal to 1 rupee. Concept of profit and loss, selling price and cost price are always convert into a one article price. First statement convert into a one article price, but indicate cost price. Then calculate cost price of one article. Okay, cost price of one article or one toffee is equal to 1 by 6. Okay, here method is a 1 rupee 6 articles, one article price 1 by 6. Your next method, selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus G by 100. Here calculate selling price, but gain 20 percentage is given. Now substitute cost price of one article 1 by 6. Your next G means 20, that is 120 by 100. Your next one 1 by 5. If selling price is equal to 1 by 5, that is selling price of 5 articles is equal to rupees 1. Selling price of 5 articles is equal to rupees 1 means 1 rupee number of articles is equal to 5. Therefore, option C only correct. This is about fourth example method. Once more, simple concept. Again, this is belongs to type 1 concept. The relation between selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus G by 100. Method, cost price and selling price always convert into a one article price. Next to apply the method, selling price is equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5 indicate numerator is equal to amount, denominator indicate number of articles. In this example, either cost price or selling price, numerator and denominator. Numerator indicate to amount, denominator indicate number of articles. A number of articles is equal to 5, amount is equal to 1 rupee. Therefore, 5 articles amount is equal to 1 rupee. We want only number of articles, that is equal to 1, that is equal to 5 articles, amount rupees 1. Okay, right. Next example number 5. Number series concept, series classification analogy. This is called analogy. Analogy is nothing but similarity. One statement is given. In that statement, find the logic. Same logic apply the given question. That is called similarity or analogy. But don't apply proportion logic. Suppose 4 dots indicate proportion. A proportion definition, product of extremes is equal to product of its in quant part, but this is belongs to reasoning. Suppose same example given in quantitative ability. Here quant means this is called ratio and proportion. Proportion definition. Here 4 dots indicate proportion. Proportion definition, product of extremes is equal to product of means. That is a product of extremes is equal to product of means. 6 into x is equal to 12 into 20. X is equal to 40. This is called a proportion application. But this is not a proportion. This is called reasoning topic. Reasoning topic means one statement is given. That statement 6 is 12. In that statement, find the logic. Same logic apply the given question. That process is called coding and decoding method. First method, in reasoning, in number of logics exist. All logics are correct, but we have to follow the option verification. Suppose given example, find the logic, same logic apply the given options. If answer is available, that is correct. If not, next go to another logic. Reason, a number of solutions are possible in reasoning ability. All solutions are correct, but we have to follow the option verification method. Suppose first example, 6 is 12 relation. 6 double is equal to 12. Then 20 double is equal to 40. Using options, 40 not given. So first method not possible. This by using options. Nana. Second example, if 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, 20 plus 6 is equal to 26. That method also correct. Again, that is not given. Third logic, a 6 means 2 into 3. Product sequence order method. 6, 2 into 3, 6. Next to 3 into 4, 12. Next to 4 into 5, 20. 5 into 6, 30. Option D only correct. This is the method. Number analogy important. Letter analogy. Coding and decoding. Figure analogy. In reasoning ability. Analogy concept. One is coding and decoding is called analogy. Letter analogy using letter concept. Figure analogy using diagram based examples. Number analogy using numbers. Here analogy indicate similarity, means one statement is given, LHS and RHS. In that statement find the logic. Same logic apply the given example. That the concept is called similarity or analogy. This example answer 30 only correct. Option D. Next, sixth example, time and work concept. A time and work concept method, a chain rule property, a number of articles, number of hours is 15, number of bags 15, number of days 15, calculate number of days, second statement, one article, 1 hours, and next one bag. A relation, here M1 into D1 into T1 by W1 is equal to M2 into D2 into T2 by W2. This relation is very important Virtusa test pattern. Here once again, here M indicate number of articles or number of objects or persons. Next, D indicate days, T indicate time, W indicate work or total. Work or total. Here next, first statement, M1 is equal to 15, D1 is equal to 15, D1 15 days, and work number of bags is called work, but time not given, that is constant both the cases. A W1 is equal to 15. Next, to calculate M2, number of calculate D2, number of days. M2 is equal to 1 and W2 is equal to 1. One article, one bag. Bag indicate work. Next, substitute the above formula. 15 into 15 divisible by 15 is equal to 1 into D2 by 1. Then D2 is equal to 15. Option A only correct but not 1. This is about time and work topic application. Next, seventh. A seventh one, family based example or puzzle test or blood relations. A pointing towards a man Amit says he is the brother of my grandfather's only son's wife. How is the person related to Anil? A. Brother. B. Father. C. Maternal uncle. D. Son. Your mother brother is called maternal uncle. This is called mother brother is called maternal uncle. Father brother is called paternal uncle. But option C, maternal uncle. Logic. Logic. Short method. Apply back to front method. Back statement. My grandfather's only son. My grandfather only son means my father. My father wife, mother. Mother brother, maternal uncle. So option C only correct. Once more, shortcut method. There is no formulas in blood relations. Apply only back to front method. Back statement. My grandfather's only son means father. Father, wife, mother. Mother, brother called maternal uncle. Option C only correct. Next, eighth one. Again, reasoning ability. Apt means first module, quantitative ability. Second, logical ability. Number of questions in Virtusa test pattern, 10 questions, 10 marks. 50% of the questions are belongs to quant and 50% of the questions are belongs to reasoning ability. This eighth one, which is belongs to reasoning ability. Apply comparison test means puzzle test topic. Eighth one, first statement. Battery A lasts longer than B. A long indicate greater than, shorter indicate less than. A first statement, longer means A greater than B. This is called first statement. Second statement, does not long as C. Does not means either less than or equal to. Two conditions are possible. Using comparison test, greater than, less than, equal symbol. Does not long means less than, equal. Two cases are possible. Second cases, here B less than or equal to C, or C greater than or equal to B. To C, B less than or equal to C, C greater than or equal to B. This is called second statement. Third statement, battery C longer than A. A third one, C greater than A. C greater than A. But conclusion of the example using first and second statements, A greater than B, C greater than or equal to B. But using two statements, A and C relation not given. If A and C relation not given, first relation A less than possible, greater than possible, equal to possible, because using first and second statements, that information clearly not given. If clearly not given, then answer is uncertain. Answer option C only correct. This is about comparison test, important and simple method using only three operators, less than, greater than, equal to. Using first and second statements, write final conclusion. But here A and B relation is given, C and B relation also given. Calculate A and C. Here three possibilities are exist. First possibility, less than condition. Second possibility, greater than condition. Third possibility, equal. Three cases are possible. Then answer uncertain. Option D only correct. Next, ninth example. A logical deduction topic, a logical reasoning, subtopics in logical reasoning, Number 1, logical deductions. Number 2, logical connectives. This is belongs to logical deductions, statements and conclusions. Statements means a sentence which can be either true or false but cannot both is called a statement. Definition: what is a statement, what is a conclusion? If you know that meaning perfectly, then this topic very simple. And next, what is a conclusion? Result of the given statements is called conclusion. Statement and conclusion. This topic method using Venn diagram concept. Here only three possible Venn diagrams are only possible. First possibility, all statement. Second possibility, some statement. Third possibility, no statement. Venn diagram method. All means this is indicate all type of Venn diagram. Next, sum means common part between A and B. This is called intersection part. No means separated. There is no relation. Very simple topic, but you may write any competitive exam. Minimum 1 or 2 marks or belongs to only logical deduction topic, that is statements and conclusion topic. Here first one, all statement, all A or B. Second statement, some A or B. Third statement, no A is B. Next, relations, all A or B, some B or A. All type of statements are given. A to B all correct, B to A some correct. Second statement, some A or B, some B or A, both way some possible. Next, no A is B. Next, no B is A. This is about concept of the topic. The next method, ninth one, using two statements, draw Venn diagram. But always draw only unique Venn diagram of two given statements. Don't draw possibilities Venn diagrams. That method exactly wrong method. A first statement, some phones or chairs, some indicate a common part between phone and chair. Next, all jets are phones. All jets, this is called jet. All jets are phones. This is called Venn diagram of about two statements. In that Venn diagram, check the conclusions. In that Venn diagram, check the conclusions. First conclusion, some jets or chairs. In this Venn diagram, check the conclusions. Some jets or chairs, jet and chair, there is no relation. Next, some chairs or jets. Some chairs or jets, again no relation. Next, some chairs or phones. That this is exactly correct. The third one correct none. Next, fourth one, some trains or jets, but there is no train here. That statement not given. That is exactly false. Only 3 follows, only correct. That option not given. Right? Only 3 follows. Option E only correct. This is about 9th example. Next, important note. But using logical deduction topic, here jet and chair, if relation not given, then select the option maybe. This is very important. Using mathematics, there is no relation. Therefore, no jet is a chair. That is exactly correct. But logical topic, if relation not given, select the option maybe. Maybe indicate to either or. Therefore, answer is some jet may be chairs because there is no relation between in this diagram jet and chair. Then answer possible answers in 9th example. First one, some jets may be chairs. Next, either or condition, some jets or chairs or no chair is a jet. That two combination is called either or. But using options, there is no either or. Then select the option maybe. That one again not given. Then jet and chair, that answers are not correct. You have to select other way only. That way, some phones are chairs, some chairs are phones. That one exactly correct. Next, all jets are phones, some phones are jets, that one also exactly correct. But using four conclusions, third one only correct, remaining all are not correct, that option not given. So option A, only 3 follows, only correct, remaining 4 conclusions are not correct. Okay, remaining 3 conclusions are not correct. This is about logical deduction topic. Next, 10th, ranking test. In a row of a boys, Siddhartha is 8th from the left end. This is called left, this is called right. From left end, 8th position. Virat is 13th from right end. 13th from right, this is called right end. First statement, left 8th, right 13th, 2 persons separated. If they interchanged their positions, Siddhartha 23rd from the left, 23rd from the left. Interchange their positions. Now Siddhartha plays Virat, Virat plays Siddhartha. Yeah, next, this is called Siddhartha 23rd position from left end. Similarly, right end 13th position. After interchanged their positions, left 23rd, right 13th. Calculate total number of persons. If Siddhartha counting 2 times, left 23rd, right 13th position, same person counting 2 times, in a classroom count only 1 time. Then answer total number of persons 23 plus 13, 36 minus 1 is equal to 35. Option B only correct. Minus 1 means a same person counting left and right positions, but in a classroom consider only one person one time. Therefore, minus 1. Answer is 23 plus 13, 36 minus 1, 35. Option B only correct. This is about metal test pattern or Virtusa test pattern. Metal based exams. Number 1, Virtusa. Number 2, Amazon. Number 3, Volkswagen. Number 4, Tech Mahindra. Number 5, LTI, L&T Infotech. These all companies test pattern only metal based exam. Metal based exam. A Virtusa test pattern. A total number of sections in Virtusa. We have 5 sections. A section 1 coding test. Section 2 aptitude. Section C computer fundamentals. Next, section 4 verbal ability or email writing or essay writing. Section 5 again technical multiple choice based test, operating system or networking, hardware. These I think total 5 sections in Virtusa test pattern. My part only Virtusa test pattern only section B, that is called aptitude. Here syllabus total 10 topics in aptitude, target 6 marks to qualify, no negative marks, level of difficulty basic to average level. Just exact concept of the topics in aptitude, that is to 10 topics. If you prepare the topics basics as well as applications, then enough to prepare these companies test pattern in aptitude. One is Virtusa, second Amazon, third Volkswagen, next to Tech Mahindra, even Accenture also I think same test pattern. Next LTI, L&T Infotech. Okay, thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.